Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan once again from the IELTS PAL Online. Hope everybody is doing pretty well. So today's my video is all about synonyms and it's all about the vocabularies, because no matter you are about to take the IGCSE examinations, the Cambridge A levels, O levels examinations, Duolingo, IELTS, PTE, or whatsoever the international examinations you are about to take. So these vocabularies and synonyms can be quite crucial for you, no matter in the terms of writing and no matter in the terms of speaking as well. So watch them carefully and try to grab some main ideas. Okay, so let's get started.
English vocabulary is vehement, showing strong feeling, or passionate, or intense. Subsequently, happening at a time later than another time. Revered, profoundly honored. Regime, a government, especially an authoritarian one. Upsurge, a sudden strong increase. Insurgency, an organized rebellion aimed at overthrowing a government. Vulnerable, susceptible to physical or emotional attack or harm. Nomad, someone who lives by traveling from place to place. Copulate, to engage in sexual intercourse. Garrison, a military post. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow Team TV.